Hey everybody, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. I'm Manny, and today is What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe at Big Sky Model Workshop. And we'll try to make this kind of quick. So, Hobby Lobby, I think it was, got that stencil material. Rich was showing on his video for the cry cut, making stencils and stuff. So, we'll give that a try. I also got another 37 Ford pickup, which is that one right there, but it's awesome kit. And I got the other one that I built. I did I think it was 2023 for Mars Garage Rust Bucket group build. I should have brought it here to show it, but I mean, that was a cool kit. So I also got sent to me another 41 Willie street rod. Good Guys Rod and Custom Association from Dominic sent this to me. So thanks, Dominic. I appreciate it. That's awesome, man. It will be built soon because I've been wanting to build another Willys. But thanks for that. Then the other last thing is place an order with Model Maker's Workshop. Scale model parts and accessories, assorted parts box. Warning may contain awesome. That's awesome. There we go. Awesome. So let's see. I know he sent a couple free things in to me. Not quite sure what these are. I'll have to look it up on the website. But thanks, man. I appreciate it. And I'll definitely check that out. Here's some plug wire. I got black, blue, yellow. I guess brown, orange, and red, and white. That's pretty cool. That's a pretty good pack of plug wires. Copper, chrome, aluminum airline. That's cool. Let's see. These are battery cable and clamp detail kit. Let's see if I can get that in the... You can see that. Some terminals in there. Awesome. Some red and black wire comes with it. Copper chrome aluminum airline. This is the aluminum. That's awesome. And we got some black large fuel and brake line. Very cool. Couple AC Delco batteries. There's two of them in there. Some light on there. Some nice detail. Awesome. Copper brake line. Couple optimal batteries. Let's see if I can find it. Get the top out there for you to show you. Yep, there we go. I should have took them out, but yeah, very nice. Those are awesome. Another set of AC Delco batteries. Hopefully you guys can see that pretty good. Some more Optimas. Love the Optima batteries. But yeah, that's awesome. These are, I ordered two of the spark plug boots. These are the straight ones. They're going to be hard to see in the package. Let's see. I'm going to take them out. My fingers will work here. Jeez. Oh, okay, there's two different ones in there, so let's take them both out. Okay, these are the straight plug boots. Very cool. And these are the plug boots 90 degrees. Those are awesome. Paint those up with some Tamiya rubber black. And this one is spark plug boots 45 degrees. Want kind of an assortment of different ones to try out. Those are pretty cool. So thanks Model Workshop. Awesome parts. I'm going to be using these in some upcoming builds. Actually, I'm going to be using them in some of them in the 37 Ford right there. So pretty cool. So thanks Joe for doing the What'd You Buy Wednesday. It's awesome. I try to save up stuff that I buy during the week to do this. I know we're going to Hobby Lobby this weekend, so I'll have more stuff for next week. So thanks for watching, everybody, and be back soon. See ya.